Want to export your Skype conversations, call logs, and contacts quickly and effortlessly, without any technical hassle? Introducing SysTools Skype Export Tool. Best tool to export Skype messages, contacts, and call logs with auto-detect, preview, file format selection, date and user filters, export reporting, and more. Key features of the software. Export multiple data types. Export Skype chat history, contacts, and call logs simultaneously in a single operation, saving time and effort. Multiple file format support. Supports exporting Skype data in widely used formats like CSV for contacts and text for messages, ensuring compatibility with various applications. Auto-detect Skype database. Automatically detects and loads the Skype main.db file from your system, eliminating the need for manual file searching. Supports JSON file export. Allows you to browse and export Skype app data stored in JSON format, making it flexible for newer Skype app versions that save chats as JSON files. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools Skype Takeout Tool. Click the top result that leads to the official SysTools website. On the product page, click the download button. Once downloaded, install the software and simply launch it. You'll see a simple and clean interface designed for ease of use. To get started, you can try the automatic selection method using the Auto Select button. Click on Auto Select if Skype is installed on your system. The software will automatically detect and select the Skype database file for you. If Skype is not installed on your current machine or you're using a backup on a different system, you can use the manual option. Click on the Browse the Skype Backup Files button to manually select the DB file from its saved location. Then, navigate and select DB file from your backup or system location. Once the database is loaded, the tool displays a detailed preview of your Skype data including contacts, chats, and call logs. This helps you verify the data before starting the export process. Now, click on the Export button to begin the data export process. A small window will appear. In this window you can choose the types of data you wish to export, chats, call logs, and contacts. You can select one or all data types, depending on your needs. Next, select the export type. The tool supports two file formats. CSV, ideal for contacts and structured data. Text, perfect for exporting chat histories. You can choose your desired file format depending on the data type. Click on the Browse button to select the destination folder where the exported files will be saved. Choose your preferred location and click OK to confirm. Finally, click the Export button to start saving your Skype database in the selected format. Once the export is complete, a confirmation message will pop up. Click OK. The software will automatically open the destination folder so you can easily access and review your exported files. And that's it. That's how easy it is to export Skype contacts, chats, and call logs in just a few steps. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.